Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable webhooks in Home Assistant for blocked integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable webhooks for blocked integrations in Home Assistant, start by accessing your Home Assistant instance through a web browser. Log in to your Home Assistant dashboard using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the configuration section in the sidebar. In the configuration menu, look for the integrations option and click on it. Find the integration for which you want to disable webhooks. Click on the specific integration to open its settings. In the integration settings, locate the option to disable webhooks. This may vary depending on the integration, but look for a toggle switch or a checkbox labeled Enable Webhooks or similar. Switch the toggle or uncheck the box to disable webhooks for that integration. After making changes, ensure you save your settings. To confirm that webhooks are disabled, check the integration status once again. You may also want to review other integrations to ensure all blocked ones have their webhooks disabled. For further verification, check the logs in Home Assistant for any webhook-related entries. If no entries appear related to the disabled integration, the process has been successful. Remember that disabling webhooks may impact the functionality of certain features or automations within Home Assistant. If you need to enable a webhook again, simply repeat these steps and toggle the setting back on. Once you've completed these steps, you have successfully disabled webhooks for blocked integrations in Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.